In this video, I'll share my review of flying Air France Premium Economy from Paris Charles de Gaulle to Dakar in Senegal in a 777-300. I had actually booked economy, however when I scanned my boarding pass at the gate, the machine made a weird noise and spat out a ticket that informed me I'd been upgraded for free and my new seat was in the premium economy cabin, seat 25E. Before I actually show you around the cabin, I think it's important just to look at what you get, the difference between economy and premium economy. So first of all, the cabin is much more spacious. It's a 242 configuration versus the 343 in economy. The seat width is 19 inch versus 16.9 inch in economy, and the recline is 10 inches versus 6 inches in economy. The row pitch is 38 inches versus 31 inches in economy, and you also have 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C in premium economy versus 1 USB-A in economy. You also get an Amenity Kit in premium economy, and you have an upgraded meal, which we'll look at both during this video. Before takeoff, I was ordered the pre-takeoff drink. The crew came round with these Amenity Kits as well as the refreshing hand towel.
Everyone at Air France will wish you a very pleasant flight.
Then it was time to get underway to Dakar for a flight time of just over 5 hours. Here you can see the premium economy cabin. Overall, it just feels a lot less congested than economy. Obviously, there's lower number of seats. At your seat, you will have your pillow, your blanket, and also headphones. At your seat you will find a complimentary bottle of still water. In terms of legroom, I'm 5'9" or 175 centimetres, and you can see I've got no problem here with legroom. I can easily stretch my legs out. There's also an extendable footrest, which I did use and did find quite comfortable. What I found less comfortable was the back support for the backs of your legs. Here you can see I've extended it here, and certainly, even on its own, but certainly with the footrest as well, it really didn't work for me. I found it really quite uncomfortable. So I either had that fully retracted or just used the footrest on its own. Built into the armrest of your seat are 2 buttons that either extend or retract this leg support. This is where you'll also find the remote control for your infotainment system. I did mention the additional recline you get in the premium economy seats, and just across the other side of the cabin you can see this person's reclined their seat fully, and it is significantly more than the recline you get in economy. The headphones, again, far superior to the headphones you get in economy, and I've travelled in Air France business and I think they're exactly the same headphones as you get in premium economy. You also have an adjustable reading light at your seat. The infotainment system, as I mentioned earlier, it's the same size screen as you get in economy. You do also have the wired remote control, and the system itself is touchscreen. I've travelled on Air France a lot, and I've found this system really easy to use, easy to navigate. It's quite reactive, and I've always found they've got a good selection of popular movies, TV shows, music, etc. Your tray table is located in your armrest, and once this is out, I found it was quite robust, quite large. Of course, you don't need to take this out. You do have a small area just at your seat for placing a drink. On the infotainment system, you can also access the menu for your flight. It was a 3-course meal. I didn't actually like the main choices here, so I actually asked for a dish from economy, which was a chicken dish, and yes, they had no issues, the crew had no issues getting me the economy main. However, it was served along with the other premium economy parts of the meal. You get a proper napkin, proper cutlery versus the wooden cutlery and just a small paper napkin in the economy. You get a glass for your alcohol. You still serve soft drinks in a paper cup, as you can see there. Overall, I thought the standard of the premium meal, even with the economy main part, if you like, still outweighed the economy food. I was curious to see what was inside this small envelope that came with the meal, and quickly discovered it was only salt and pepper. There were no issues requesting additional drinks during the flight. The Amenity Kit, quite basic. The contents, you have a toothbrush, you have some hand cream, you have an eye mask, a pair of socks and some earplugs. The bathroom shared with economy cabin, so no difference here in what you'd normally expect in economy. And then it was time to make our approach into Dakar. Do I think the premium economy cabin is worth the extra cost above and beyond the economy price? For me, yes. I like the extra leg room, the extra recline, the wider seats, and just the whole cabin is just less congested. It's overall just a more pleasant way to travel. The food and getting proper cutlery, etc., isn't a huge deal for me. It is really just the seat and the cabin. You also get things like Sky Priority, so if you're travelling through an airport similar to like Charles de Gaulle, then that does obviously get you through passport and security faster as well. It also gives you early boarding. You board just after business class passengers. I do hope you've enjoyed this short video, found the information useful. If you have, please consider hitting a thumbs up and give the video a like, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future content. Thank you very much for watching.